2025 Kawasaki ZX-10R. Full review and real-world test. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the brand new 2025 model of the legendary superbike, the Kawasaki ZX-10R. As you know, Kawasaki has always been known for producing some of the most powerful and exciting motorcycles on the market. And with the release of the new 2025 ZX-10R, they have once again raised the bar for what it means to be a true performance machine. Now, before we get into all the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the design of this bike. It is absolutely stunning. From the sleek lines to the aggressive stance, this motorcycle looks like a predator ready to pounce. The new color options are also a nice touch, adding a splash of personality to an already eye-catching machine. But let us not be fooled by its good looks, because this bike is more than just a pretty face. It's got the brains and the brawn to back it up. The engine on this bad boy is a thing of beauty and a beast, producing an impressive 203 horsepower at 14,700 RPM and 88.9 pound-feet of torque. At 11,500 RPM, that means you will have plenty of power to spare, no matter what speed you're redoing or what gear you're in. The top speed of this bike is limited to 186 miles per hour, but we all know that it can go much faster if you are brave enough to twist the throttle wide open. But having all that power is nothing without proper control. Luckily, the ZX-10R comes equipped with a number of advanced features that ensure you can handle this beast with ease. One of the standout features is the new assist and slipper clutch. This innovative clutch system helps to reduce the amount of force required to pull in the clutch lever, making it easier for riders to change gears quickly and smoothly. It also helps to prevent rear-wheel lockup during aggressive downshifting, giving you even more control and confidence on the road or track. Another impressive feature is the Kawasaki Quick Shifter. This system allows for seamless upshifting without any interruption in power delivery, giving you a smooth and efficient ride. The bike also comes with a variety of riding modes that allow you to tailor the power delivery and suspension settings to your own personal preferences or the conditions on the road. You can choose from 4 different modes, each with its own unique blend of power, torque, and suspension settings. There's the road mode, which is designed for everyday riding, sport mode for more aggressive riding on dry roads, and then there's the R1 and R2 modes for track use. These modes offer the ultimate in performance and allow you to fine-tune your ride to get the most out of the bike. But the ZX-10R isn't just about raw power and control, it's also about stopping power. That's why Kawasaki has equipped this bike with a number of high-performance braking components. At the front, you've got a set of dual semi-floating pedal discs with a diameter of 314 millimeters. These are clamped by powerful monoblock calipers with 4 pistons each. It brings an incredible stopping power and feel. At the rear, there's a single 256 millimeters pedal disc with a single piston caliper. Now, this might not sound like much, but trust me, this setup is more than capable of bringing this bike to a quick stop when needed. The frame of the ZX-10R is another area where Kawasaki has really outdone itself. It's made from high-strength steel, which provides a perfect balance between rigidity and durability. The bike also features a balanced swing arm that helps to reduce the unsprung weight, giving you even more control and handling. The suspension on this bike is boot notch, featuring a 41 millimeters upside-down fork with spring preload adjustability and 110 millimeters of travel. At the rear, there's a horizontal backlink with a piggyback reservoir and spring preload adjustability, plus a length of 131 millimeters. These components work together to give you a smooth and comfortable ride while still providing the support and stability you need when cornering or braking hard. Now, let's talk about the electronics on this bike. They are seriously impressive. The ZX-10R comes with a 6-inch TFT display that provides all the information you need, including your speed, RPM, fuel level, and more. But that's not all. This display is also fully customizable, allowing you to choose from a variety of different layouts to suit your style and preferences. The bike also comes with a quick thumb shifter for seamless upshifting and downshifting, as well as a multifunction brake lever that allows you to control the front brake and the clutch with one hand. The ZX-10R also has a number of other electronic features that make it one of the most advanced and user-friendly bikes on the market. These include traction control, ABS LED lighting, and more. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what real riders have to say about the 2025 ZX-10R. We went out to the track and put this bike to the test, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. Rider after rider came back with smiles on their faces and nothing but praise for this amazing machine. The combination of raw power, precise handling, and advanced electronics was too much for our test riders to resist. They loved the way the bike felt on the road and on the track, and many of them were even surprised by how comfortable it was for long rides. Of course, not everyone is going to love the ZX-10R. Some riders may find the sheer power and performance of this bike to be a bit overwhelming. In that case, we would recommend checking out one of Kawasaki's other models that may be a better fit for your skill level and experience. But for those who are looking for the ultimate in performance and excitement, the ZX-10R is definitely worth considering. If you're looking for an alternative, the Yamaha YZF-R1 is another great option. It has a similar level of power and performance, but with a slightly different engine configuration and chassis setup. It's also worth noting that the ZX-10R is priced very competitively, making it a great value for the performance you get. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki ZX-10R is an incredible motorcycle that raises the bar for what it means to be a true performance machine. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, top-notch braking components, and comfortable ride, this bike is sure to impress riders of all levels. So if you're in the market for a new superbike, be sure to check out the ZX-10R. You won't be disappointed. On our global perspective, the ZX-10R is a bike that truly knows no bounds. Its powerful engine and advanced electronics make it a joy to ride on both paved roads and off-road trails. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the ZX-10R is up to the task. And when it comes to off-road adventures, its durable construction and high ground clearance make it a great companion for exploring new trails. No matter where you ride, the ZX-10R is sure to deliver an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching our review of the 2025 Kawasaki ZX-10R. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. We'd love to hear what you think of this bike, so drop a comment below and let us know. And if you're feeling extra generous, why not share this video with your fellow motorcycle enthusiasts? Until next time, keep riding and stay wild.